How to log into another Snapchat profile. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to log into another profile on your Snapchat app. So let's get started. If you have more than one account on Snapchat, then we can actually log in through our same phone. How to do that? First of all, you will have to log out of the profile you are currently logged into. So I have this profile and I will click on the settings and scroll all the way down to log out, and I'm gonna log out. Once you are logged out of your Snapchat account, then it will take you right here. So it will actually show you all of the profiles that you have created. So if you have like more than one account like I do, you can see I can just switch between the accounts. For example, I have this one, then I can just get to this one, click on login and log in to this account, and then we have this one right here. If you want to create a new account, then you can click on sign up. So you will add your first name, last name, just like you create a new Snapchat account. For this, you will require a new email address, or you can use the previous one. I have added first and last name. Click on sign up, add your birthday, select a username, set up a password, and then you will log in with an email address. So this is how you can create a new account. Once the account is created, you select the account from here. You have your alt accounts too. Select the account you want to go for. Click on login and it will take you to your account. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.